Hey y'all, welcome. My name is Debbie. Everybody calls me Cajun. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun here on YouTube. How are y'all doing? Long time, y'all. Haven't made a video in quite some time. I'm trying to make some now. I have all my PR packages came in, and there's some things that I ordered that came in. But anyway, if you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Yay! I'm glad to see y'all. I'm so happy. Y'all, I miss doing this so much. It's been hectic over here. And then I just got back from vacation. And yes, I look different because I have a baby ponytail. Y'all, so excited. It's weird because it's shorter, but I mean, look, it's getting there, and it's hot. That's why I have it up, because it's hot. It's hot. I can't stand it on rubbing on my neck. But anyway, yes. So, y'all, if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so, and hit the like button. All my information is in the description portion of this video, and anything I'm gonna show y'all in this video will be linked in the description portion of this video. If you choose to read the description portion, I do have codes for different budget-friendly diamond painting websites. So y'all can use those codes to get y'all some. I don't get no kickback from that, but y'all welcome to use the codes to buy y'all diamond paintings and stuff. Anywho, and pins, and there's different codes I have in the description portion, so check it out. Also, I have a Facebook page, and it's Diamond Painting Cajun. I have Diamond Painting Cajun on TikTok and Diamond Painting Cajun on Instagram. So they're all the same. So y'all can go check those out. Join my Facebook group. We do different crafts. Y'all can post different crafts. It doesn't have to be specifically diamond painting. So y'all can post coloring and crocheting and sewing and whatever y'all want. So yeah, y'all go check it out. Y'all, what are y'all working on? How are y'all doing? I haven't seen y'all, like I said, it feels like forever. I did my live on TikTok from vacation. I had a couple people there, people I didn't know, but Sam and Samantha from Blunts and Gems was there. Oh my God, a couple others. I'm sorry, I had a brain freeze. I have a lot going on still, but that's okay. So I have an unboxing from MTN Inspirations, and they do cover minders, diamond painting pins, so on and so forth. And they do have a Facebook group, and I will definitely link the group, the Facebook page, in the description portion of this video. Y'all, I'm excited to open this. With my ink pen, I'm excited to open this because it is a diamond painting pen that I've been wanting forever. I've been trying to get my hands on it. Well, these are one of them. There's two others that I want. One's a sea turtle and one's a mermaid. So I still have two left to collect from that I want. But this one is also one that I wanted, and I was finally able to get it. Oh my God. It took forever, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure it's well worth the wait, because if you look at MTN Inspirations page, when they do their drops, oh my God, you better hurry up. That's all I gotta say. It's just hurry. Make sure you hurry up and purchase, because once they're gone, they're gone. And if you go, you just follow them, and you'll be able to see when their pins come out and stuff. Like I said, they have gorgeous pins. Oh my God. I mean, just gorgeous pins. They're just amazing. Y'all would be, it's worth every penny. Anywho, I'm gonna open this and show y'all. I'm not prepared, so hold on. Let's see if I can find something to open it with. Let's try this. Like I said, excuse my hair because But it is what it is. It's hot here, so And I'm excited because my hair is finally growing. I just wanted to feel better about putting it in a ponytail. So this is the box it comes in. It's well packaged. And it comes in this tissue paper. So it's very well packaged. It doesn't move in the box because I shook it. And I'm gonna open it. Oh my God. Okay, so it says, thank you for supporting my small business, MTN Inspirations. And it's, she has the website. It's www.mtninspirations.com. And this is the card. This is the card for that, her website. So you can go check it out. I think she has an Etsy shop. I'm not sure. Yes, she does. Y'all, she made me this cover minder. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. Look how freaking cute. Y'all, it's so cute. Look at this. Just look. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God, look, it's a cover minder. If you don't know what a cover minder is, if you're new here, a cover minder, you use it to hold down the plastic on your diamond painting. You put this on top of the plastic and this underneath, and it's a magnet, so it sticks together and holds your paper down. So she made this to go with my pen, and y'all could probably about imagine what kind of pen it is. Y'all, I love it. Oh my, these are like so, and purple and pink, and this color's pretty. I love it. Look, the glitter. So pretty, y'all. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the pen. Oh my God. So excited. This is how it comes. Well, at least this one did. I'm pretty sure everybody's comes the same. Maybe not the same color paper or whatnot, but oh my God, y'all. I'm so stoked. And it comes in bubble wrap as well. That's a good wrap job. Y'all. Oh my God. Okay, oh my God, y'all. Look this pen though. Oh my God. I'm so excited, dude. Oh my God, y'all, look how pretty. Oh, y'all just look. I'm gonna go slow so y'all could see it. Y'all, this is amazing. Oh my God. Oh, MTN Inspirations, y'all. Oh my God. Thank y'all so much for such a wonderful, wonderful pen. Y'all, look at this pen. Now I'm going to show y'all this side. Y'all. Oh, that's an awesome job. Y'all did so good. I'm so happy and pleased. Y'all, please go check out MTN Inspirations. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Y'all know I loving this stuff right here. Oh my God. Y'all, look at this. It's got shells, starfish, fish. It's got pearls. Look the pearls. Oh my goodness. You guys, look how beautiful. I can't even tell. Okay, so this is the thing. It takes time to do this. Excuse me. It takes time to do this, y'all. This is amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. Y'all go check them out. Why wouldn't you? Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Y'all, this is so... Okay, I'm sorry. I know I keep saying it, but bruh, this is pretty. Look, it even got a trusty turtle. Oh my God. Okay, what's my favorite? Sea turtles. Oh my God. And mermaids and stuff like that. Oh my God, it's so colorful and I love it. Okay, MTN Inspirations, one more time. Y'all did an amazing job on this. Y'all are absolutely amazing. Cannot express to y'all how happy and pleased I am with this pen. No words. Absolutely beautiful. So y'all go check them out. I'm going to put all the information in the description portion of this video. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to go use it and my cover minder. Look, see y'all. Oh my God. I just can't. And see, that's why I want 2 more. For that reason. So y'all go check them out. MTN Inspirations. I'm going to put all the information in the description portion of this video. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.